Hey guys, it is me, Simone. Today I have a quick tutorial on how to make a cute little Valentine's theme, like a little candy box you can put in Happy Mail, or just make these little goodie bags to give to friends and family. So what I'm going to be using to make this is I'm using this love die. This is from AliExpress. It's a shadow die, so it cuts out the word and then the shadow you can place it on. I'm going to be using this scallop heart die. This is from AliExpress. So is that one. I'm going to be using this layered heart die, and this is from Tonic. I think this came in my blind bag I did. And then I'm going to use, where'd it go? Here it is. This tiny shadow box from Spellbinders that I got from their warehouse sale. So I cut the box out, and so basically the box is, I'm just going to put it together real quick. I'm trying to see some good simple glue to use. I'm going to use this Elmer's glue because it's right here. So once it cuts out, it scores everything for you. So we're going to just add in the tabs. I'm using just this Elmer's glue, this little tip real quick, because I mean, yeah, it doesn't have to be super strong. Put my tabs here first. Because I keep doing that. I keep wanting to put the glue on the wrong side, and I don't know why. You know, whatever glue you got. If you're not like me and you put the glue in the right spot, you won't worry about that. And then you're gonna put these big tabs down. I'm gonna do those first just to keep the little flaps in place. And I'm gonna do this so it's thick and dry while we move on to the next part. And then I'm gonna do the smaller flaps. And do those next. Come on, thing, stop acting all. And use some cheap glue. If you're doing this for really real, you know, you could use better glue than I use. Just wanted to get tacky so it holds on. If I had like my other glue. I need to take my other glue out of that container and put in a different one. I don't know why, but I like using the Dollar Tree containers. Oh, here they are. This little squeeze bottle I got from Dollar Tree. I really like using this glue. And this has my, what's that called? Mother Stir glue in it that I got. So I cut out the scallop die in this distressed wood grain. I got two for the top, the lid, and then the bottom. I cut out this foil, matte foil, rose gold color paper, and this is from Sizzix. I think this is their opulent paper that they came out with. I got from Scrapping Made Simple. And then this is some thin scrapping paper. I think this is from Hobby Lobby. I think it was on clearance on their 60% off clearance events. Some more of the Sizzix opulent paper, but this is the glitter shimmer version. So you see that? And then I cut out this love in just some red. And this is the lid to the shadow box. So if you did the shadow box originally, you would just glue in the tabs like this. There's little tabs here, you can see those tabs. You glue them in like this. Put the tabs in and go about your business. What I'm going to do is just glue this to the lid and make this a lid. That makes sense. So let's just glue everything down real quick. Let's use my tape glue real quick. And you can ink the edges if you wanted to. I didn't think about that. Oopsies. Go through, ink your edges. I'm trying to see this has any ink on it. do some quick inking blending. I know, like, super late in the game. Kind of like the darkerness. And I'm just using my, what's this, Conqueror 9th ink and blend it out too. I kind of went a little darker, so that's why I did the both ways. So I'm going to do it darker and then blend it out too. And this has ink, it has tape already on it, so I'm not going to do that. Just going to messily do this. Add more tape because my fingers are all over that. Put that here. This is going to be the bottom. We're getting our base, and you can ink this up too, or ink the edges of the box. Really simple, easy to put together. And I'm going to use this Martha Stewart glue. See how this goes. You can use tape if you wanted to. Try to put it like right in the middle. But I like being messy. And then we're going to do the same thing with the top. That's our bottom. So I'm going to ink. This time I did it before I glued on the other one. Okay, like these like quick tutorials. I've been wanting to use a scallop heart for a while. I just went through my dies and everything and was organizing them again with all my new dies I purchased over the last year and stuff. Getting them all placed. Planning out how I'm going to organize them and then where I'm going to place them in my craft room. And just to keep it kind of matchy with the other one. I'm just going to, I'm not going to be paying too much attention to the bottom one, so we didn't get that one too much attention. We'll get the top one a little more attention. And this is some thin paper I'm using on top, but it's great for layering. That's what I love these projects for. Clean up my table. And what I'm going to do is get the lid and glue this to the top. So you're going to add your glue, and what I would do myself is just to make sure we get it lined up correctly. And I'm going to put this thing in the shadow box like that and line it up as best I can. That looks about right, right? Push it down and then go and do the extra work on it. You can put a little like a dove can or kiss in here. So I'm gonna get myself a good burnish. There's a little small piece of candy in here. Nothing too crazy. You can just give this all to your co-workers for Valentine's Day. Or your friends and family, small little kiss. Or Galentine's Day, whatever you want to do. And then for the top of our box, I'm just going to attach this. I have something for this, but I don't feel like looking for it. I have those sheets that I got that add adhesive, but I don't feel like looking for those sheets, so I'm just gonna dab on my glue. I know, very professional, scientific method over here, because I don't feel like looking for the glue. It's a little messy, but yeah, we'll cover that up. Say we did it on purpose. Okay, Ashley. And then we'll just add this. You can add this on foam tape. We'll just do something for foam. This is some Dollar Tree foam that I have. You can use some foam and tape if you want to. Put there. Glue's still wet, that's why it's popping up. Okay. But a quick and easy little candy box holder for your Valentine's Day. And you can do this with any little box die you have, and then just you have some heart dies to put them on top. I have other shadow boxes. I have another shadow box, but then the die that makes a match stick box, and you can easily do the same thing, but your family and friends will just need to be known to pull the matchbox drawer out instead for open it like this. It's just up to you. What you do is very simple to put together. You can put like a ribbon on here and tie it so your family needs to keep it closed. If we really want to, we can add Wink of Stella or something. I can't find my pink one, but I'm just going to see how. This is a little glitter pen I got from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna do the same thing, you know, add a little glitter here and there. Can y'all see that? I doubt it. Just certain parts I'm just adding this glitter pen. It's actually a really pretty color. I'm not gonna lie, it's actually really cute, but I'm just haphazardly doing this because I can. A little sparkle. So if you could find your Wink of Stella in the right color or clear, you can use your Wink of Stella or something like that. Well, I actually have this thing. It's not Wink of Stella. This is Bria Rees. Is that like, I don't know what kind of gold colors will be though. But you can do this. But it's a cute little, I think it's a cute little thing you can do, easy. If I can find the products, I'll link it below. I don't know if I can find this little box anymore, just because it was in a clearance sale. I think they're trying to get rid of it. So I don't know if I'll be able to find that. I think that color would be ugly. Look at this. Adding glitter. Oh yeah, it's just darken the paper for a bit, and I guess I'll leave the glitter behind. But you can tell it's been, y'all can't tell, but when I see it, it's like green color. I wonder if it's gone bad. But no one's gonna see that green color, especially when it dries and the bright red color just sticks out. Okay. Put a pretty little kiss in here. That's it. Quick, easy tutorial of me jobbing around trying to remember all the product names. And I hope y'all enjoy it and you have a great day. Get crafty. Much love. I'll talk to you later. Bye.